guys, I'm probably gonna just get ready really quick. 12 o'clock, and I'm supposed to meet at my grandma's by 1, so I'm just gonna do my makeup quick because that usually takes the longest. Sorry for this angle here on my little spinning thing. Water. I'll show you like briefly what I do, and I'll just zoom through it. This is my illuminating putty elf primer. I really like this. It's really affordable, and I feel like it works really good. And then I'm gonna wet my sponge. I'm gonna spray a little bit of this illuminizing. I like my face to be very glowy, if you can't tell. And then I'm gonna take my dose of colors in light concealer. And then I'm going to take my Airspun setting powder. You can get this at Target. It's like $5. Or I don't know. It's really cheap though. And I like to use Hoola Benefit. I like to cake on the bronzer because when I'm pale, I feel so hideous. Eyeshadow brush will work. Blending brush. And I just dip into my bronzer and I just put it all over my eyelid. I don't know. I have so many other shows I need to finish. I need to finish Vampire Diaries. I just kind of fell out of it. Like, I was not like into it after Damon got Elena to like date him and stuff. Like, ever since she turned into a vampire, I just don't really care for it. I don't know. I don't know if it's just me. But... And then I'm gonna take my Ofra highlight. I can never open this dang thing. I'm gonna take the gold shade. That is Pillow Talk, I think. It's either Pillow Talk or Rodeo Drive. I would assume it's Rodeo Drive, maybe. Pillow Talk's probably pink. Use the e.l.f. My friend Danielle bought me this one. I think she got me a darker shade and I've been really liking that. So this is just the e.l.f. eyebrow pencil. Super cheap. Okay, eyebrows are done. I forgot my favorite thing. Can you guess what it is? Your blush. I've been liking to... I've been really liking it on my nose because it looks like you just went to the beach. We're gonna get lunch and I'm really looking forward to it. This is my favorite mascara. This is Maneater by Tarte. Okay, now I'm gonna curl my hair, which I'll show you guys how I do that too. Where you part your hair. This is a wet brush. Love these things. The back, and I take like a chunk like this. It's curling hair, and I got years ago. It's I don't know if you can even see it. I don't know. It's just from Amazon, but I think it's like an 1.5-inch barrel or something like that. And then I just put it behind my head, face it down, and I just wrap. And then I always hold it before I let it just drop. I feel like that really helps for some reason, because sometimes I don't do it and my curls don't stay for very long. So I don't really know if it does help or not, but... Here's my outfit. Jeans. American Eagle. Sorry guys, I don't have time. But, and then my face. Here. Okay, I'll see you guys later. I love this outfit though. It's so cute. Hi guys. I just got home a while ago, actually. It's already 9 o'clock. Sorry for this angle, but it just has to do. I actually went and got Chipotle for dinner, which I didn't film because I was hungry, and we had Boston's today for lunch. We actually had a fantastic time. It was really fun. We went and had Boston's for lunch. I got a wrap, like an Asian wrap. I don't know, like an Asian Thai wrap. It was super good. I really liked it. I only ate half of it, and then I ate half of my fries, and then I took them home, and then I also got a side salad. It was so dang good. Really full after the side salad, and I think it was because I didn't eat anything like at all besides that beginning of the day. And then after that we went to Old Navy and we shopped for a while, and I got some goodies from there. And then we went to Target, and my grandma didn't start to feel good, so we actually went home after that, and we hung out, waited for my grandpa to get home. I was able to see him. I'm actually going to show you guys what I got real quick. So I got a new mitt, this mitt from Target. It's Jergens. I use the self tanner. I don't know if you guys know that or not, but this is the self tanner I like. It's so good. And then the mitt, it's really hard to find the mitt sometimes. I notice they don't always have it, so they had a ton of them. They're only $5.99. I should have got a ton more, but you can probably get them on Amazon too. To try the Breezeberry so bad in my Target, but the Target that we went to had like a freaking ton of them. Last thing from Target is this lip gloss, which I'm gonna try right now. This is the shade Pearl. They didn't have any other ones. I really wanted the one next to it, but I'm gonna try it on for you guys right now and let you know if I like it or not. Ooh. Ooh, she looking cute. I love it. It's not sticky. I like it. I'm gonna give that like a 10 out of 10. This is the Lifter Gloss. Freaking sweet. This is the Maybelline New York. Looks like that. Storage got full. That always happens to me. This is the men's section, Nirvana, 20% off. I could have probably got a large, but I don't know. I just wanted to put this on. I'm so weird. These leggings were on sale for $3.47. You guys should probably hit up the clearance rack. Seems like they were trying to get rid of stuff. I got extra large high-rise balance, 7/8 ankle. On sale for $13.99 originally. Doesn't say. Originally $29.99. So these are long like that, size extra large, my normal size, and they're like a chevron. I'm obsessed. So they're army pants. I've been wanting a pair of these, and I just figure for like spring coming up, these would be so cute, rolled at the bottom with some sandals and like a white t-shirt. I got a size 16, stretchy, so I know that they'll probably fit. I was wearing a 16 today, so good. And then I got this spray. This is hair and body mist. It's so good. Water Lily and Melon from Old Navy. Me and my grandma both got this. I got some masks my mom got. This snake one. I thought was so dang cute. Oh yeah. And they're big too. They cover my chin all the way. And then I just love the color green. You guys, so I just got back a while ago. The chicken that I'm going to be prepping for my lunch, and then my chicken salad for tomorrow night's dinner. And so what I'm going to do is just throw a little over 2.5 pounds of chicken. So I'll probably use 1.5 for lunch and then the rest for the chicken salad if you need it, because I know I sure do. So anyways, I'm just going to use some chicken broth and then just chicken, and then I'm going to use my Instapot. So you could even use your crock pot. You can just put these in the oven, essentially anything, you guys. So but I find it the easiest in this because it cooks it really well and it takes so little time. All right, so I put just a little bit of salt on, and then I'm going to add the chicken stock, or wait, chicken broth. You could use broth or whatever, and just lightly coat the bottom just so that they don't burn. And there we go. I'm just gonna place the lid on and steam it. Okay, guys, so it's a little bit later. I actually am unthawing some frozen blueberries, and I'm gonna have two whole wheat waffles with blueberries, and then this is the only syrup I have, so I'm just gonna use a serving of this for lunch. And I'm really excited because I'm actually hungry. So I'm just gonna toast these up and I'll show you guys what it looks like here. You guys, I literally have to admit this looks so dang good. I've been craving like blueberries, and the syrup is actually really good. It is high in points. It's 6 points for 2 tablespoons, which I'm okay with that because it's all the syrup that we have, and I'm craving this. So this is my lunch for today, and so 12 points. Hi guys, I'm actually headed out to the grocery store to get something for dinner. I have some options for dinner, like this pasta stuff, but I'm just not craving that. I'm kind of craving chicken drummies, so I'm gonna run up and just grab some things for dinners for the rest of the week, and then some lunch ideas. So I will show you guys what we're gonna have for dinner. Hi friends, so we just got back from the grocery store. I'm currently making dinner, so I'll show you guys that in a second, but I wanted to share a few things that I got from the grocery store that I thought kind of looked good. So I got this black bean salsa, and I'm going to make quesadillas, and I'm going to eat this with it, and light sour cream, which is in here somewhere. We got this coleslaw for dinner tonight, and Jason actually added red onion to it, so that's going to be absolutely delicious. And then I found this Jello sugar-free lemon lime. These are my favorite peanut butter. They're like 7 points. I am on green and I get like 48 points in a day. So for me, it's okay to splurge, and to be quite honest, these are actually so worth it. Taco, more beans. I'm actually making some beans right now. Some potatoes. Favorite bread of all time if you're new here. This bread is so delicious. I got some Carb Balance. Tortillas was the only ones that they had. And then I've been drinking Gatorade Zero. This is really the only thing that I can drink right now. I can't even drink the Costco drinks that I told you guys about, so that kind of sucked, or sucks. So yeah, and then as far as the chicken, I'm making chicken jummies. I just use this extra light olive oil. It is 0 calories, so 0 points. Seasoning, I use this roasted garlic and herb, just a little bit. This is very salty. The first time I made these drummies, I made the mistake of like coating. They were so salty we could hardly eat it. We had to peel the skin off, which I kind of do anyways. And then some sweet paprika. I'm really excited about this dinner. So it's coleslaw, baked beans, which I'm making right here, and these are just the country style ones. I don't know how many points they are. I'll scan everything before. So yeah, I have a lot of points left for today, so I will show you guys my dinner and I'll show you guys my points. Oh yeah, and I also got bananas for I'm gonna have oatmeal cookie halo top. This one is one of my favorite oatmeal cookie. I just absolutely freaking love anything oatmeal. And then if I don't want it with ice cream, I was just gonna have a banana with some sugar-free chocolate syrup. Ready Whip. My friend Danielle, I believe, does this with the Ready Whip and the banana and chocolate, which she got me like thinking. So got these chicken gyros. These are really good. There's 3 in a pack, so 1 each, and I think they're like 10 points.
Love interrupted by tragedy, lost in the drought of nightfall, running in search of the remedy, trying to find her place, and it all focused only on the negative. All she can attract.
Alright, you guys, lastly, I'm having this raspberry cheesecake. Can't really see it, I'm sorry. Raspberry cheesecake Build Bar. They have like dried pieces of raspberry in it. It's so freaking good, and it's white chocolate. It's 4 points. It's scanned in as I think someone else skated in are 140 calories. Super good. I actually really like the white chocolate ones. But yeah, I'm just gonna munch on this. Indy and I are gonna cuddle on the couch. I might take a bubble bath. If you're not already to follow me on Instagram, I share way more stuff over on Instagram lately, and it's more up to date. So don't forget to follow me over there. I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.